Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something super cool and fun, a ladder.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your black marker and a piece of paper and let's get started. First, we'll draw the sidebar. Make an upside down V shape. It looks like the sides of a ladder. Great work! Now, let's add the steps. Start from the top and draw straight horizontal lines across. Keep going until you have 3 steps.
La da 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 dee.
Next, draw another sidebar, just like the first one. Connect it to the steps to complete the ladder. Finally, let's add the little screws that hold the ladder together. Draw small circles near the corners of the steps. Nice job! Now, it's time to make the outline bold and sharp. Trace over the lines with your black marker to make your ladder pop. Awesome! Your ladder looks amazing!
Yay!
Now, let's bring it to life with some colors. Grab your color pens, and here are the colors we'll use. Brown color for the sidebars. Dark brown color for shading the sides. Gray color for the screws. Blue color for the top and bottom bar. Purple color for the sides of the steps. Yellow color for the top step. Green color for the middle step. Pink color for the bottom step. Isn't that colorful and fun? Great job, friends! Your colorful ladder looks fantastic. Don't forget to share your artwork and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.